Hi guys, we're going to be making a bamboo spoon patio decoration. To start off, I have a wood dowel, and mine is 14 3/4 inch long. It doesn't have to be exactly that amount. It's just going to go accordingly to how many utensils you're going to put on it and the amount of space you're going to need. And the thickness is 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to be using 6 bamboo fork utensils. You could also use the spoon ones, or you could do like a combination. I got mine at the dollar store. I've laid them down in front of the wood dowel to adjust and decide how far apart I wanted them. And then I marked it off with a pencil where I was going to be putting them. And I made sure that they were evenly separated apart. Each of mine are 2.5 inches apart. Also, I made sure that they weren't hanging right at the edge of the wooden dowel. And if I have to adjust them a little bit more, I will. I'm using a small wood file with a triangle shape, and I'm filing grooves where I marked off with a pencil on the top and a little down the sides. This is nylon cording that I'm going to be using for the string, and the thickness is 1.5. I have all the grooves in. I made sure they were deep enough that the string is fitting down snug under the wood and that it won't slide. I had to adjust it by adding 2 more grooves for the string it will be hanging by. I put a groove in the middle of the last 2 on each side. So I'm going to be painting everything, and I've already painted the wood dowel. I've done 2 coats on it, and I've let it dry 30 minutes in between. And the color I used for my wooden dowel is Yellow Light. It's by Folk Art, and it is a matte finish acrylic paint. And you can use any color you want and any design you want on yours. So I painted both sides, and I'm going to let them dry for 30 minutes standing up in a jar now. Next, I'm going to use Light Turquoise by Anita's. It's acrylic all-purpose paint. I put some red dots on each side using Bright Red by Apple Barrel. Using a flat new pencil eraser, I'm dipping it in the same yellow, and I'm stamping on the flower petals. I cut off 6 pieces of the string, and I cut them about 15 inches long each. I wanted to make sure that I had some extra string. I tied them so that the string fit over the notches and down inside them, and then I tied the knot on the underside, and I tied 3 knots for each of them. Next, I brought the bottom of the string through the holes, and then I tied another 3 knots at the top of these. I cut another string off that is 29 inches long. Now, I probably cut it a little bit longer than what I needed, but I wanted to make sure I had enough string for hanging it. I tied the string around the last groove in the wooden dowel, and this time I placed the knot at the top of the wooden dowel instead of the bottom, and I'm going to cut off this extra, and then I'm going to take the string over to the other side and do the same thing. Now, if you want to do something different, instead of doing the grooves in the wooden dowel, you could always get some small eye hooks and screw those into it, and then tie the strings to those.